Now I want to talk to you about how to assemble a Garmin GPS Suction or windshield mount, suction cup mount. There are many different types of suction cup mounts. This is one in particular. This is actually one for a TomTom that I had. It's a little bit different device than the current Garmin device that I have now. There's many different ones that actually come from Garmin or from other brands, and there's even generic no-name brands as well that sell these different types of mounts, and there are different types. This one, actually, you start by pushing the suction cup against the glass and then twisting this little disc here. That's why it shows the little, I don't know if you can see that, but the little hand icons. Go ahead and twist the disc until it locks into place, and then this folds down and you mount your GPS to it. Then to release, you just pull one of the rubber tabs on the side or both, and it comes right off the glass. Now that is one suction cup mount. The other is the one that came with our Garmin Nuvi 2595 LMT series, which I love a lot better. Not only does it have a really strong suction cup on a spring with a trigger switch, as you can see, it makes that suction concave, so it really sucks it on there tight. But it also has a more flexible neck, a more flexible joint, and it clamps on over the GPS as opposed to the GPS just snapping on the back, which keeps it from falling off when you go over a large bump. So it's a lot more secure. Let's see if I can get this centered on the screen here. You go ahead and push the suction cup in, and then if I kind of bend this thing out of the way here, you'll be able to see that there's this lever here. Go ahead and clip that down till it locks into place. It locks the suction. Then you can kind of straighten it out or adjust it how you see fit. And then of course you can go ahead and attach your Garmin GPS to the mount. As you can see, it's nice and sturdy. Even if I pull on this, I'm actually pulling pretty hard, you can't tell, but it's not coming off that glass. And what's great about that is, if you're driving around, you go over a bump, this GPS is not just going to fall off on the ground and break, or you won't lose it.
Drive to highlighted route.
So all of a sudden you don't know where you're going. So these are just a couple of suction cup mount options there are available. Like I said, there's many more out there, and it also depends on the model that you purchase. Some models don't even come with a suction cup mount, and you have to purchase your own. There are also dashboard mounts as opposed to suction cup mounts, which pretty much can clamp over your GPS the same way, but then instead of necking onto a piece of glass or a suction cup, it'll neck down onto like a sandbag, a non-slip little sandbag, or they even have like little sticky cups where you peel off the back and it'll stick directly to your dashboard. So there's a couple different options there for you.